So, good morning, good afternoon, my favorite students. So, welcome in the exam complete channel. Today, I'll discuss about science, physics chapters, and then after that, chemistry chapters, which you have to learn study in class 10th. So students, so you are welcome in the new session for your class 10th. So now I would like to introduce all the chapters one by one which you have to learn and study in class 10th. So I discuss first of all that in physics in class 9th you have studied 5 chapters, but here you have to study in class 10th only 4 chapters. So in these 4 chapters, what we have to learn, just I'll dictate here and after that I'll discuss about how many chapters we have to learn here in chemistry. Okay, so now in physics science class 10th physics 1. Okay, so just in the chapter number 10 which is in your NCERT book that you have to learn here, that is chapter number 10, that is light, reflection and refraction. Okay, now chapter number 11 that we have to learn here, the human eye and the colorful world. And now chapter number 12, that is electricity. That will be new chapter for you here. Also chapter number 11, that will be new chapter for you. Chapter number 10, that will be new chapter for you here. So chapter number 2, that will be chapter number 2, electricity. And now chapter number 13, that is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so magnetic effect of electric current. So these 4 chapters we have to discuss here in class 10th. Okay, physics 1. So in these all chapters, chapter number electricity, magnetic effect of electric current, that will be new, totally new for you here. All the concept related to these 2 chapters will be new. So here we will discuss one by one in the next episode. Chapter number 1, light, reflection and refraction. What we have to learn, which points we have to discuss, just I'll discuss, elaborate it one by one in the next channel or in the next part. So these all chapters are of physics. So in chapter number 10, light one, that we have already discussed in class 8th also, light. Okay, but human eye, just that was also discussed in class 8, human eye, but in class 8 that was very short form of these two chapters, but here you have to discuss in detail about light, reflection and refraction, human eye and the colorful world. Okay, so electricity one, also electricity one is new one for you, magnetic effect of electric current. And after that I discuss all the chapters of chemistry in class 10. So first of all, you note it, just note it. Now I'll erase it, you can note it after pausing your cell phone. So now in chemistry, which chapters we have to deal or we have to discuss, just in chemistry. In chemistry. Okay, so in class 9th you have studied only 4 chapters in chemistry, but here you will have to learn 5 chapters in chemistry. One chapter will be added here. So in the first chapter number 1, which is in NCERT, just I am dictating all the chapters according to NCERT. Okay, don't get it frustrated. So chapter number 1. So chapter number 1 will be chemical reaction and equation. Chemical reaction and equation. Chemical reaction and equation. So about chemical reaction and equation we have discussed in class 9th, how to balance it, but that was not a part of class 9th. But here just we have to discuss more about chemical reaction and equations. Chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. Acid, base and salt. Chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. Chapter number 3, that is metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Chapter number 4, that is carbon and the compound.